Yeah. Yeah, we are here with Damion Hyatt of Dunbeholden just secured a clean sheet versus Harborview. Give us your thoughts on the game today, Damion.
Well, it's a pretty good game. Harborview never have enough to offer. Keep them in the game to then find one.
Yeah, how important it is for you as a goalkeeper to ensure that you keep clean sheets for your team to.
It's very important. It's very important, because if you keep clean sheet, you automatically keep a team in the game.
Yeah. All right, so you guys are keeping the pressure on Waterhouse, who are in first position. The end of the first round. What can we expect from your team heading into the second round?
Well, at the moment, we are at the first place at the moment. Because Waterhouse have a very important one against Arnhem that can go either way. So, yeah, keep the pressure upon them.
Yeah. All right. So want to thank Damion Hyatt of Dunbeholden. Helped his team today with a 1-0 victory over Harborview. Congratulations and all the best moving forward, Damion.